Hello and welcome back to the farm. Back again with a new video in the new year. Had a new purchase, a new old equipment. Was pretty cheap for me, and I want to show it to you. And again, a new front loader, new old one, pretty used. That's the reason, because it was so cheap, so I had to refurbish some points on this front loader. It's the same quick attachment to the Massey Ferguson 590 tractor, so I just have to switch the front loader. And here is the main issue of this front loader. This bearing here was completely worn out, and also here these two, and I've already drilled the holes. They had an egg form. Now they're round again. I drilled it out with a 30mm drill, and here, as you can see, this is the old one. Here's a crack. I have to weld this, and I have to drill this out, and also the console is bent. Yes, this hole I have already drilled out. These are not very good holes, but I will put in these sort of pipes, and I will put them in like this, cut them to the right length, and I will weld them in so everything's like before it was worn out. Yeah, next step will be rebanding this attachment here. As you can see, this is how it looks originally, and this one here is pretty bent. We'll bend this with a threaded rod, and we'll tighten it up, and then these two brackets will go together. And also here I will weld in these pipes. Two pieces here I have already drilled out the hole, and this one I will be drilling out. This one here. Okay. Now this is the result. I've drilled here through, this side through, so that the hole is aligned, and as you can see, the pipe is already inside. To cut it from the other side, and the original pin fits right to in. There's a slight clearance, but that's okay. So next step will be cutting off the pipe and making two small rings here for these two bearings, and welding in it. Okay, it's the next day, and I finished yesterday evening, and that's the result. It looks like. Already greased it up a little bit. Grease zerk is also working, and also here I welded in the bushings, and from the other side as well. Everything is now right in place, and I am ready to reassemble the two parts.